So let's begin with the proverb. It's called atasözü in Turkish. And here's our example in English. The dog that barks much does not bite. That means in Turkish, havlayan köpek ısırmaz. So let's go into our example. Let's explain this. So I'm gonna write in Turkish that proverb, havlayan köpek ısırmaz. So here our video, I'm gonna explain it in virtually. So let's look at this word, havlayan. That means bark in Turkish. Like we do not say that dogs are barking. We say dogs are how. They make sounds like how. So that means barking in Turkish. So to make it like visual, let's draw a dog that barks over there. I'm gonna make it minimalistic style. So this dog is barking. So we say how, not bark or woof. Okay, also köpek means dog itself. And ısırmaz means bite, does not bite. Like ısırmak means bite, ısırmaz, that makes it like negative. So this means it does not bite. So there is no bite. So in literal means that it says that the dog that barks much does not bite. So let's check out the meaning of this. Turkish people especially use that with the people that looks like harmful. However, they like does not show any harm. Like, let's say you look like a dangerous person and you always act like crazy. However, like you do not show any harm. Like when somebody shows some reaction to your, let's say, harm, you just say like, oh, okay, I'm cool. I don't do anything. I just was like show some crazy stuff, but if you show some reaction to it, I'm just gonna stay silent or some etc stuff. So people say to that, into that situation, as you can see over there, they say havlayan köpek ısırmaz. So the dog that mentioned about there is this guy that looks like harmful but does not show any harm. And if you give reaction to it, it's just stop barking. It does not bite, which means it does not give any reaction to your reaction. So this is the meaning of the proverb. Let's say that again. Let's say that we got a dog here, which is an angry dog, like constantly barking to every stuff. Let's say that you just hate him because it's barking, it's like it's show any reaction, so you give back reaction to that, like you warn him, let's say, or you just show some violent moves, let's say, and after that stuff he does not give any reaction, he does not bite, as you can see. So Turkish people say havlayan köpek ısırmaz, which means the dog that barks much does not bite. So this is the meaning of our proverb. Let's go on with our sorry, I wrote proverb over there again, but it's not proverb, it's idiom, which means deyim in Turkish. So here's our deyim. Drown it in spoon with a full of water. That means bir kaşık suda boğmak. So actually I observed that Turkish people use that idiom a lot in situations, especially with the aggressive ones, because I think we can use that as a threat maybe, because it means like there's literal meaning, drowned in spoon with a full of water, so that like it shows the anger, like I'm so angry at him that I can make him drown in just only a spoon with a water. Like, let's check the meaning again. Like, drown, which means boğmak, and a spoon, which means kaşık in Turkish, and a water. Spoon with a water. Spoon with a water. Let's say spoon plus water. Su. So that means bir kaşık suda boğmak. Bir kaşık suda boğmak. So it's a little bit exaggeration that, like I said, you felt so much anger against the person that you can literally drown them in just a spoon with a full of water. Like, think about it. It's so hard to drown a person in a spoon. Like, it's impossible actually, and that's how you just like explain your anger against a person. And like especially Turkish people use that against the people that they want to make a threat. Like, I'm so angry at him, I can drown him in a spoon with a full of water. That's how you like explain your anger and your hate. You name it. It's just a idiom with a threat included actually, and it shows exaggeration, as you can see in the picture. Like, a person that drowned him in a spoon with a full of water. And let's go to the last one, stereotypical words, which means kalıp söz in Turkish. So I got an example, a sentence you can see over there, and it says that he's got a so clean house that pour some honey and lick it. So it sounds weird in English, I know, but like there's some irony included, and you can use it in another words as well. So let's go on with that. So we heard the words of pour some honey, then lick it. So it sounds weird, I know. So it's the Turkish meaning of this, like bal dök yala. So we can use it in both ways, and there is a positive and negative way. Like, I'm gonna talk about firstly the. Okay, let's explain the Turkish of it. Like, honey means bal in Turkish, and pors means dökmek. In Turkish, we say bal dök yala. The dök word is pour, and lick it, yalamak, like lick some ice cream, lick some honey, as you can see over there. Bal dök yala. So that means the house looks clean, looks so much tasty that you can pour some honey on it, like it's a jam or something, and then you can lick it, you can eat it. That means, so there's a true meaning of it, like a positive one and a negative one. So we can use the negative one while making irony. Let's say that there's a guy which is not very much of a clean guy. Let's say flies growing around him, and he's stinky, and his full house is stinky. We say in an ironic word that his house so clean that pour some honey on it and then lick it. You can use it as ironic word, like his house is so clean, oh my gosh, you can pour some honey and then lick it. Also, in a positive way, you can use it as a person, for the person who's very clean, like his house is like literally shining from clean, being neat, you say. And we say in a literal way that he's got a so clean house that pour some honey on it and lick it. It gonna be tasteful. So as you can see, this is the positive version, and this is the negative version. So that's all. I gave 3 examples of it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.